This video is pronunciations for the nervous system, which is chapter 10. Open up your books and follow along if you want to, starting with the terminology in the blue boxes. Cerebellar, cerebral spinal fluid, cerebral cortex, subdural hematoma, epidural hematoma, encephalitis, encephalopathy, anencephaly, glioblastoma, leptomeningeal, meningeal, meningioma, myelomeningocele, myoneural, myelopathy, poliomyelitis, neuropathy, polyneuritis, cerebellopontine, radiculopathy, radiculitis, thalamic, intrathecal injection, vagal, analgesia, hypalgesia, turn the page, neuralgia, cephalgia, it's our fancy and medical term for headache, causalgia, comatose, anesthesia, hyperesthesia, paresthesia, bradykinesia, hyperkinesis, dyskinesia, akinetic, epilepsy, narcolepsy, dyslexia, hemiparesis, aphasia, hemiplegia, paraplegia, quadriplegia, apraxia, neurasthenia, syncopal or syncope, and ataxia.